wanna love like I never have. It's not mutual, but I'm already at the door with my keys in my fist. Baby, can you tell me slow? The emo boy grew up with pollen on his sleeves, grin caught in the kitchen light. Even if it's a half-made thing, you still know the shape of me. Maybe if I start again, I don't wanna press my name into your window and call it proof. Baby, let me go then. Alone is where I'll be. Damaged boy, I believe you never lost your joy. You just learn to give it to yourself. Found the light within, a quiet, steady glow. No longer waiting for someone else to show you how to grow. Every step I take, a love song to my soul. Finally making myself whole. Please just hold my hand. There we go again. Awake, grown up by the sun, still wearing that old kid shirt under my coat. The same emo boy in my chest, just with rent in the phone I can't ignore. The stain showed up with the bills, with the mirror, with all the things I still can't say out loud. Same cuts, different skin. Go ahead and put it on me. I miss the way I used to slam the door and meaning not to stare at the lock. Now I stand in the kitchen with the cold mug, waiting for the kettle to remember my name in the group chat keeps lighting up like I'm supposed to be fine by now. But I'm in the bathroom, thumb on the faucet, trying not to shake the whole place loose. The train's late again, and so am I. For the call, for the reply, for whatever version of me they wanted. I keep my keys in the same bowl by the sink, like maybe habit can fix what I never learned to say. Please just hold my hand when the room goes thin, when I start picking at the edges of my own skin. I don't need a speech, I don't need a plan, just stay here a minute. You kiss, same cuts, different skin. Go ahead and put it on me. I'm still that kid in the hallway, just with a better excuse to leave.